Get what we deserve. Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down we go. Oh, 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 we're down we go. Oh, 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 oh. So we're down we go. Way down we go.
Woo. Good morning, guys. It is about 27 degrees outside this morning. It's a little chilly. It's 4:30 right now. We're going to head out to Person County. Gonna meet up with my good buddy Colton Barnett. We're going to hunt some cornfields this morning. Might do a little bit this afternoon. It's a little strange morning. I got a call from my dad. He's going into the hospital. He's having some stomach problems, so we might not hunt as much as I want to today, but either way, we're getting out in the woods, getting after it. It's a good day, man. First introduction, this is Colton Barnett. So we just met up with Tyler over here in Hurdle Mills. Running a ground bind. It's 26 degrees over a cornfield. Cornfield's about 450 yards long. Did you just hear that doe blow? Yeah, I heard it. Yeah. Already got deer blowing. I don't know, but we're gonna see something this morning. Hopefully a buck comes out. It'll be interesting. Yeah. It'll be real interesting. It's a good field, good spot. See what we can. Alright, so the deer typically bed over in this thicket and they're walking along, coming right out of this field. And they'll come out and feed and group up here in the middle. And then they'll tuck down this little ridge line down into the bottom thicket area over here. Now they just gotta do it. Another doe just popped out. Same exact spot. Yeah, they all walked down the tree line. He's not gonna stop. I'm gonna get him to stop. Get on him. How high? Fuck. I'm gonna just go a little high. Hold on. You on him? There we go. Yeah, shoot. Oh, no, don't shoot him. Alright, we were just sitting here and we heard some rustling over in the thicket. And once I got my binos up, there's a coyote booking and beelining across this field back into these thickets over here where those deer were. So we're hoping he's gonna bust some stuff up and send some more deer over this way. That's where he came out at. He booked it across. Well, we need to do extra. December 20th. Here it is. It's December 19th. December 19th. It's 3:28. Got in here, got set up. Hopefully we're gonna see some deer. Maybe we'll see that coyote we saw this morning. If we do, we're probably gonna let Tyler take it. Early or late, no matter what. But it should be a good afternoon, late season. Big cornfields, should see some deer. Birds are talking, something is up. Is there a hollering down there? I have a feeling they're gonna come out about the same spot they came out last time. Right there in that little bottom.
drop, baby.
I can shoot other ones.
All right, put it on him. Smoke. All right, Tyler. You done dropped 2 of them. Doe management, baby. Let's go.
Man, dude, dropped them
Let's
both.
go. Put the hammer on them. 7 mag, baby.
Oh, dude.
7
Dude, that
mag.
one was way back. That one was at 300 to 100%. Dude, she was
7.
all the way in the back. Yo, there's one right there.
Yeah, that's the phone. That's the phone. Let's go.
Yes, dude, yes.
Let's go.
Finally, man. Yes. Awesome, dude. We've been waiting all day for this.
Hell yes, we smoked 2, baby. Smoked 2. All right, so
We just smoked 2 does.
2 does dropped dead.
One was at about, how far do you think that was? 150?
Probably, yeah, 100, 120, something like that. We got one down right here at 120 and one down about 300, both dropped.
Man, let's go check
Put
them
it
out.
on them, let's go. There she is right there. Doing a little bit of doe management over here on the farm.
Yo, I'm tagged out on those. For real.
Damn. Trying, son. Hell yeah, she big. Oh yeah. Dude, that is a very mature doe. Very mature doe. Alright. Flip her over. Let's see. Dude, I'm telling you, 7 mag is nasty. 7 mag is nasty. Walking up on number 2. Back over there about 250 yards.
Back in that far corner.
Yeah, ethical shot. I knew he could make it. 7 mag. No track jobs. 2 deers. Let's go. Dude, another nice mature doe. Smoked. Dude, look at that shot.
Dude, that was perfect.
Dude,
Dude, that was a far shot.
Dude.
This one might be 100.
Baby mom. All right, 1, 2, 3. Woo.
All right, so we just got back in the truck. We finished cleaning those deers up. Colton, I mean, what do you think of the night, man? How do you think the hunt went?
It was a good night. It was a good night. We got her done. Temperature died down around 5. The deer started moving a lot more. It actually died down about 5 degrees. So they got up moving, went out to eat, going back to bed. We got them in between. So
Yep.
it's a
No
good
buck,
day.
no buck, but man, there's so many does out there. We had to do some doe management.
Yeah, we had to about 20, 25 does in the past week.
Yeah,
So
crazy. What about that coyote, dude? That coyote has me interested in coyote hunting out there some.
yeah, we heard some on the way in actually this morning. So
Dude, yeah, actually, that brings up a good point. We think this morning, we definitely heard coyotes howling a whole bunch on the way in.
for sure.
And then we heard does bleating back behind us to the right.
Yep.
And then that's where that coyote came out from.
Yep.
So I think that coyote kind of pushed those deer out. That's why we had a tough morning hunt.
Yeah, we had a little tough morning. We seen some deer, seen a nice coyote, so we're definitely interested in getting back there and checking out them. So
If you guys want to see us coyote hunt, just comment down in the comment section and let us know. Because I'm actually interested in doing it. I would love to do
me
it.
too.
Yeah.
For sure.
Maybe a hunt giveaway, a coyote hunt.
Yeah, Follow, subscribe, like for the giveaway.
That would be sweet.
We'll pick you.
See you guys on the next one. Have a good one.